Some homes impress you the moment you walk in, others, they slowly capture your heart. Imagine winter evenings by the fire, conversations that linger, and music playing softly in the background. This is the kind of home where anniversaries are celebrated, milestones are toasted, and memories quietly take root. Where it's morning coffee in the courtyard and sunset reflections across the pool, here you feel completely removed from the outside world, surrounded by 3 private acres that feel like your own personal getaway. Luxury isn't loud here, it's felt. I'm Karen.pietsch with Coldwell Banker. When you're ready, let's connect.